just want to run through today a couple of security features that we can fit on the caravan. First of all, dual purpose one, this coupling. This is the Cruisemaster DO35. It's an off-road coupling. It uses a pin, so that's just a simple way. It's a really nice coupling to tow with, and it's a simple way to make it hard to steer your caravan because that pin is a lot more rare than a tow ball. Another way fitted on this caravan as well is the WiTi. So it's got a little unit inside, all wired into the trailer harness, and we've got a horn fitted under here, a little indicator light I'll cut in the video. Here's our permanent indicator light. So the lights flash, trailer lights all flash, but if I set this, just takes a second, and that is now alarm set. That'll show constantly that the alarm's on, active, and then press again, alarm off. When you set and unset the alarm, your trailer lights, marker lights, all flash too. So that's set now, unset, you see that short flash. So it's a quick and easy way to see what's going on, but you can always look at that little indicator light just to confirm, yes, the alarm is on. It's going to be constant red. So push again, flash, and we have a constant light in here. So that alarm's set now. We've got the red light showing in the front, and then any foul play on this, the horn underneath, pretty obvious, and you've got marker lights. All your lights all around the van are flashing, so that's going to be pretty obvious at night. And then we just here's the unit safely tucked away inside, all nice and secure, out of the elements, not easy to tamper with. So here's the main controller, all wired in to the power and through into the trailer light harness. And then this one's, I mentioned, it's got the little GPS module here, so that's all connected in as well.